Newton-Raphson formula or Newton-Raphson method statement. If xn is an approximation to the exact root alpha of the equation f of x is equal to 0, then a better approximation is in general given by xn plus 1 via this equation. Suppose that we have alpha be the exact root of the equation f of x is equal to 0. But we are interested to find the numerical solution of the equation f of x is equal to 0. So, suppose that or if xn is the numerical solution of the equation f of x is equal to 0, this means that xn is the approximate value of the equation f of x is equal to 0. Then a better approximation is in general given by xn plus 1. But better approximation instead of xn is xn plus 1. And formula to find xn plus 1 on account of Newton-Raphson method, xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus f of xn whole divided by f prime of xn. So, we use this formula for Newton-Raphson method. There are some advantages and disadvantages of Newton-Raphson method. Newton-Raphson is a rapidly convergent iterative method. This means that Newton-Raphson rapidly convergent to the exact solution. The evaluation of the derivative f prime of xn at each step makes the method unpopular. चूंकि इसके हर एक स्टेप में हमने f prime of xn मालूम करना है, तो इस वजह से ये कंप्यूटेशनली हमारे पास ये मेथड जो है अनपॉपुलर है. If the root is very near to maximum or minimum value, the function at that point the method is fail. Suppose that we have the graph of some function, this is the maximum value and this is the minimum value. If the root lies near to this point or this point, and that point the function and that point Newton-Raphson method fails. Now, we are going to solve example for Newton-Raphson method. Find the root of x cube minus x square minus 3 equal to 0 to 4 decimal places using Newton-Raphson method that lies near x is equal to 2. We find the approximate solution for this equation by using Newton-Raphson method where the root lies x is equal to 2 up to 4 decimal places. Given function x cube minus x square minus 3 is our given function, f of x is equal to x cube minus x square minus 3. If we look to the formula of Newton-Raphson method, here we need two types of function, f of xn and f prime of xn. This means that first of all differentiate your given function. Our given function f of x is equal to x cube is f of x is equal to x cube minus x square minus 3 and its derivative is f prime of x and is equal to 3x square minus 2x. We find the root lies near x is equal to 2. This means that the initial value x naught is equal to 2. Formula for Newton-Raphson method is this one. putting the value of f of x and f prime of x. The value of f of x is equal to x cube minus x square minus 3, and the value of f prime of x is equal to 3x square minus 2x. Now we putting for n is equal to 0. Now we start for n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So putting n is equal to 0, for n is equal to 0, if we put here n is equal to 0, n is equal to 0 and 0, 0, 0, 0. So this becomes x1 is equal to x naught minus x naught cube minus x naught square minus 3 whole divided by 2 x naught square minus 2 x naught. Putting the value of x naught is equal to 2. So we put x naught is equal to 2. हम इस इक्वेशन में x naught की जगह क्या पुट करेंगे, 2 पुट करेंगे. तो 2 minus 2 cube minus 2 square minus 3 whole divided by 3 into 2 square minus 2 multiplied by 2. If we solve this equation, so we will get the answer is 1.875. This is our first iteration. And second iteration, we put n is equal to 1 and Newton-Raphson formula. So if we put here n is equal to 1, so this become x2, x1, 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 x1 and x1. Putting the value of x1 which is 1.875, so here we put the value of x1, and after calculation we will get the answer of x2 is 1.887. So ये हमारे पास x1 की वैल्यू 1.875 आई, सेकंड आइट्रेशन में हमारे पास 1.887 आई. इसी तरह आप लोगों ने थर्ड आइट्रेशन, फोर्थ आइट्रेशन, फिफ्थ आइट्रेशन करनी है. तब तक आप लोगों ने आइट्रेशन करनी होगी जब पॉइंट के बाद 4 डेसिमल तक ये आंसर हमारे पास सेम ना आ जाए, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन में यहाँ पे कहा गया है कि अप टू 4 डेसिमल प्लेसेस द आंसर बी एग्जैक्ट. तो अप टू 4 डेसिमल प्लेसेस हमने ये फाइंड करना है कि हमारे पास ये जो सोल्यूशन आ रहा है ये अप टू 4 डेसिमल प्लेसेस सेम है या नहीं है. तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास 3 डेसिमल प्लेसेस हमने लगाई हुई है. तो आप लोगों ने सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ आइट्रेशन तब तक आप लोगों ने आइट्रेशन करनी है जब तक अप टू 4 डेसिमल प्लेसेस ये आपको एग्जैक्ट आंसर ना दे.